All right, this is what we came up with. American Standard, you got your cover. American Standard condenser. That's what it looks like right there. Working. Hot sounds. All the fittings down there. Cover. Let's go over this side, check it out. Not much to see on that side. That's what it is right there. American Standard unit. That's what that looks like. Let's go up top real quick and check out the furnace. Good. I'll turn off, close the gate right here. The door. The indoor unit. Dampers. Little sensor. Plenum box back there. Another zone. Coil. Burner. Controller. That's what that looks like. Fully installed. All right, stay tuned. American Standard.